So proxies are super expensive. Getting a proxy right now that will serve you properly, sometimes you have to spend as high as $50 to $100. And some of these proxies, even before the month runs out, you might have exhausted the bandwidth. Or the ones that do give you are like a list of new proxies every day. Sometimes they're not that good, and sometimes they won't serve you properly. All right. So we have all experienced this, especially people that are into surveys and are trying to uh do this online service and make money online. It's quite very frustrating. I mean, think about it. You're trying to make money online and you have been suggested some of these survey apps that do pay you in dollars. And now you're trying to get on these survey apps and you need a proxy because they're not available in Nigeria and VPNs can work properly. So you have to fall back on surveys. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to get proxies for free. These are not cracks, these are not illegal. These are free proxies, are 100% legit. All right. So you learn how to get these proxies and then use them all for free. So you can open literally any of these survey apps, or this is to do whatever you want to do on the internet. But wait, before you go, this video is strictly for educational purposes only, because I know some of you might take this information and then go and do whatever you want to do with it. So I'm putting this disclaimer. This is strictly for educational purposes only. If you use this to do anything illegal, the FBI might come for you, or whichever authorities are find that illegal. But like I said, I'm not suggesting I use this to do any illegal thing. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Use it just for surveys and other very important things. This is just to basically just find money online. All right, so access sites that we're not allowed to access here in Nigeria or Africa or other parts of the world. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us get down to business. But first, before we do that, I want to put this out there. Some of these proxies are slow. All right, so before we get into it, just know that some of these proxies are kind of slow. They are slow. All right, so if you're new here, my name is Gerald. I make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel, because in the next video I'll be bringing something even more interesting and more money saving than this. All right, so you wouldn't want to miss out on that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business. So first thing first, you come and download this Socks Proxy. Come to your Play Store and download this Socks Proxy. When you're done downloading it, then you open it. All right, so you're going to select your language here, which is English. I speak English, so I'm selecting English as my preferred language. If you speak Arabic, and choose Arabic, whichever language, then you're going to accept the terms. All right, you're going to come down here, then accept the terms. And you're going to continue. All right, so when you open it here, this is what you're going to see. So as you can see, we have 0 coins. We don't have any coins, but what I'll be focusing on here is I just click on continue. If it's pops, so just click on continue. All right, so free with ads. This is what we're going to focus on. Click on that, and then we'll see like all the proxies here that are free. Every proxy here is free, so you can just select anyone and make use of it. So for the sake of this video, I'll just select Canada. There are a lot of free proxies. You can select anyone you want, whichever one you have in mind. All right, it says US. I chose Canada. So you're going to click on, there are a lot of different proxies here. So you're going to click on proxy details and look for one of them. Just scratch whichever one you want. So just click on the proxy details and they're going to show you the proxy. So first of all, as you can see, you have 2 ways to do this. Either you pay or you watch ads to get this. So we don't have coins, so we're going to watch ads to get this unlocked for us, because to pay with ads you have to pay that 10 coins. So we're going to click on side and watch the ads to the end. All right, when you're done, you close the ad, then voila, here you have all of your proxies. Everything here is available for you, proxy for free. All right, so as you can see here, everything is ready. Canada, the region, Ontario, and it's just the internet service provider to use there. So we'll go back to your Play Store and want to download this app. This is you're gonna come and download this app here, Super Proxy. All right, then you're gonna install it. Tap on install, and when it installs, then you open it. When you're done installing it, tap on the open. Then you're gonna see here, they also sell proxies too, so but we're more concerned about this add proxies. So we're not buying proxies for them. We already have our proxies on ground. So we're gonna click on add proxy. As you can see here, everything that we need to we'll go and bring our proxies from where I've gotten it from and bring it down here. So we're gonna minimize it and go back to here. Then we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy all of these proxies one after the other. The host, the port, the username, the password. Not all proxies come with username and password, but if it comes to username and password, make sure that you copy the username and password too. All right, so that is copied. Gonna go back to our spot proxy. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm not gonna paste it. Just follow my steps. You're gonna do the same thing that I'm doing here. You can change this profile name. You can leave the profile name the way it is, or you can change it to Canada for easy identification. It just depends on what you want. Then you come here under the section method, you click on it and click on section method and select username / password because we're making use of username and password, alright? So all we need to do is I will go back here, then I'm going to copy this username and password that we have here. Alright, so I'm going to come here, then paste it. Then I'm going to go back, then copy the password. And then come back here and paste this in the password section. Yeah, I think it's all done here. So when you're done here, click on save. All right, you're going to click on save. Here, they say the save button is up here. As you can see there, everything is ready here. So we're going to click on save. Everything here is set. So just to confirm and make sure that everything is set. So we're going to come back here. Then we're going to tap on save. Just making sure that everything is ready. Tap on save. So now it's safe, everything is safe. So we'll just come here, click on start proxy, and then the proxy has started. Voila, start simple. So let us check Hua to see how strong this proxy is. So just come here to your browser. So I'm using Chrome, so just type hua.net. I'm sure most of you are already familiar with this thing already, this site already. Just type on hua.net. I'm gonna open it. It'll wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are. So we're gonna wait for it to load. Though when we come down here, we're going to see that our disguise is not up to 90%. It's supposed to be like 90%. It's just like 70%. However, you can go back, then choose another different proxy and then make use of it. All right. If it's not to, at least you get at least 90% before you be able to move forward. That's my advice. All right. So if it's not 90, then you go back and get. So let's move to iOS. The one we did first for Android. So now we're moving to iOS. So on your iOS device, what you need to come here, to come to your iOS device and download this app, Potasio. I believe most of you know about this stuff. But if you have like a better one, you can also recommend it in the comment section below, and I'll also try that one out. But for the sake of this video, this is the one we're gonna be making use of. So we're gonna download that. Then we're gonna open it. So we want to click here, we want to come on add proxy manually. There are so many other ways to add it via QR code, proxy URL, subscription, but we're going to add manually for the sake of this video. We're going to add this proxy manually. So click on that. So I already have my proxy selected on the iOS device. So all I have to do is just come and input it here. So just type it the same way I'm doing it here. So just carefully type it out and make sure you don't make any mistake. It's very important, don't make any mistake. So we're also going to type out we're going to change this to Socks5. That type there, we're going to change to Socks5, all right? So your authentication, we're going to bring in the username and password also. We're going to type it here. So it's either you copy it and paste it here, copy it from your Android and send it to your iOS device and paste it. or you just type it out manually the way I'm doing it right now. It's very easy and straightforward. It's not that difficult. All right, so I'm typing out the password now. You can literally make use of any country, but for the sake of this, for iOS device, I'm making use of Brazil. I don't know why I chose Brazil, but I just wanted to choose Brazil. So then we're going to click close here. Then we're going to tap on this button here to start the proxy. All right, so I'm going to tap on this here on this play button. This button that looks like a play button. I'm going to tap. I want to tap on it. The proxy is going to start like immediately. For the record, this shows ads because it's free. So just have that in mind. Just have that in mind. Tap on the power. So you're going to do some back end configuration. All right. You want to allow you to do some backdoor configuration on your phone. So you're just going to enter your password if it's required. All right. So it has started running. So we're going to go to our browser now. Also test the strengths of this stuff. I'm going to go back and test the strengths. Okay. So we're going to type hoa.net. We're also going to check the strength here. This is a Brazil proxy. The proxy I use for this one is Brazil. I just had to choose like randomly. All right, so our Hua is also showing us 78%, which shows that it's not the strongest, but like I said, you can always get other proxies and change until you get at least 90. 90 is like is the benchmark that you're supposed to get. Like 90 is the real deal that you're supposed to get. You can always choose and change. So that's it. That's how to get free proxies online. You don't have to pay a dime. You don't have to do anything. You just go there, follow this method step by step, and then you're going to learn how to get this. Like I said, use this strictly for educational purposes. So this strictly for educational purposes only. So don't use it for any you infant. Don't use to hurt anyone. Don't use to do stuff that's illegal. All right. So if you haven't done this yet, please like this video and then smash that subscribe button. All right. And you know what? This is how I want to do this. Tell me what video do you want me to make next. All right. Just tell me what video you want to make next. Want me to make next. Or better say if you have any challenges, also drop it in the comment section below. But tell me whatever video you want to make next. And then I'll make a video about it. Whatever challenge you're facing, just tell me and I'll make a video about it. So see you guys in the next video.